Namaste ma'am, after like 20 years, like we are celebrating like your movie.
Right.
ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ?
Oh, I'm really very happy because not many times it happens that after 20 years also the film is as memorable and as fresh in people's mind as Mona Lisa has been. And the kind of response I got today, I'm really thankful to the entire media and of course Indrajit for putting it all together.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊನಾಲಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರಕ್ಷಕ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೈಲಾರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಂಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I have no idea. Like this is one question everybody's asking me. I don't know if I get something as good as Mona Lisa or Mailari or Arakshaka. I would definitely want to be back in Kannada films. Not that I'm not doing it for any particular reason. Just that whatever comes my way, if I feel it's not worth my time and effort, I don't do it. I need to enjoy what I'm doing. So which is why maybe.
ವಿಕಿಪೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸದಾ ಅವ್ರ ಏಜ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದುರುಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕೂಡ. ಸೊ
This is the age that you see. Don't go by Wikipedia. Wikipedia anybody can go and edit. There's no secret as such. Like I said, do what you enjoy. Do what you feel like doing at the moment, and just live in the moment. Life is beautiful just the way it is. Being competitive is nice. Taking stress about why this film is not come, why that is not happening is not worth it, I feel. And yeah, eat well, sleep well, and be happy.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಈಗ ದ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಿಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಂತಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, KGF ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗ್ರೋತ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ
Of course,
ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
it's now the boundaries have diminished. Now, uh, regional cinema is being accepted beyond boundaries, and that's such a wonderful and pleasant change, you know, because the content then becomes the selling point. It's not about who the actor is, who the superstar is, where is the actor from. That doesn't matter. What matters is how good the film is. And I'm glad that films like KGF and Kantara have happened in Kannada industry, because now people also look up to what is coming next from Kannada. And what could be better than that?
ಸದಾ ಅವರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 5 ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಂಚಭಾಷಾ ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ?
What is?
ವಾಟ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು, ಲೈಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ 5 ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಏನು?
Nothing. Like I said, I've just gone with my life, taking up the films that have come my way without thinking whether it's from Kannada or from Malayalam or from Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, without any of those boundaries in my mind. uh, I have just taken up work as it came my way, and I think that is why probably I've done films in all languages.
ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ನಂತರ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತೆಲುಗು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಶೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಿಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಥರನೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಿರುತೆರೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬಹುದು?
Like I said, if I get a good opportunity, I'll be back. I need to enjoy what I'm doing. I need to be like, at this point, I don't want to do films for just for the sake of it. I want to do it if it's really worth the time and effort. So if that happens, I'll definitely be back.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಯು ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ. ಈಗ UI ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್
Abba,
ಏನಿದೆ?
please, I have not seen anything about that. So don't ask me questions irrelevant.
ಫೈನಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ
Huh.
ಫೈನಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸದಾ ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ?
I don't know how to speak in Kannada. Whatever little bit I knew, I've forgotten. So please excuse me. All I would like to say, please watch Gauri in cinemas on August 15th. I'm not a part of the film, but I'm there to morally support the entire team of Gauri.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.